Uh, Hello guys, good day or good afternoon or good morning, depends on the time that you're watching the video. And my fellow Muslim brothers, I will say Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sulaiman Abdul Karim, the CEO of Salt Sakina Holistic Healing. In this video, I will just explain shortly on the disorders that are happening in the digestive system. Almighty God, in His infinite mercy, if we eat food, it goes straight, after chewing and swallowing, it goes straight to the stomach. That is where the digestion will take place. Then the digested food will be sent to the small intestine, where absorption of the nutrients, the minerals, the vitamins that body needs will take place. Then the remaining, the waste product will be sent to the that intestine, that is the colon, from the colon to the rectum, from rectum, where the waste product will be, stored for a certain time before it is being evacuated from the body through the anus. So this is the digestive system of the human body, although there are other parts that are included which I have not mentioned. There are so many disorders that happen there. For instance, there are ulcers. And this is what most people think whenever they have stomach ache or any discomfort in the stomach, they think it is ulcer. But at times it's not ulcer. Although ulcer happens, but not all the times. At times there is gastritis. That is the inflammation of the lining of the stomach. And also you also have the duodenitis. Between the stomach and the small intestine, that is the duodenum. At times that it used to be inflamed. And also, we also have the enteritis, that is the inflammation of the small intestine. And we also have the sigmoiditis, the inflammation of the large intestine. We have taken several years giving a herbal remedy that will serve as a relief to the patients that are suffering from any disorder of the digestive system. Due to that reason, that is the reason why we package the herbal remedy that we have been using so far over the years. It is called the digestive system enhancer. It enhances the digestive system, and all these disorders that I have mentioned initially, the enteritis, the sigmoiditis, the ulcers, whichever type of ulcer, be it peptic ulcer, stomach ulcer, or duodenal ulcer, the enteritis, the sigmoiditis, it all relieve this medicine, this herbal remedy, relieves the patient from the discomfort and the pain that he is suffering, and it also relieves indigestion as well as constipation. So all you have to do, if you need a pack of this medicine, you should just call us on 080-345-99766, or you just send us a chat on WhatsApp 080-345-99766 or 091-2373-7665. See you. Goodbye.